Hey guys! Today we're going to be talking about the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gentle Cleansing Lotion for sensitive skin. I have surveyed another product in this line, which I believe was the original and earlier version of this product. It was the Hydro Boost Cleansing Gel. As you can see, it does not say it's a sensitive skin product. But what both of these products claim to have is hyaluronic acid. And I've kind of briefly touched on what hyaluronic acid is. If you want, you can look it up for more. But it's basically a humectant that specifically draws moisture to itself. It draws moisture to the particles of hyaluronic acid applied to the skin, and you've got moisture that's extra locked in and is drawing moisture to it. So it's been a very popular additive to a lot of skincare products for dry skin, moisturizers, serums, etc. over the past couple of years. Neutrogena, as always, at the bottom of the bottle it says dermatologist recommended. The dermatologist recommended brand, I think we all know that that's one of the major selling points for Neutrogena. As far as the Hydro Boost line goes, this is the newer version, obviously, of the cleansing gel, and I've used both products so I can speak to both. This is a cleansing lotion. It's kind of hard to find cleansing lotions. There's not as many of them as there are cleansing gels and other types of cleansers. I've kind of got both of these products for summertime makeup removal, and I would say that between the two of them, there's sort of a difference, but if I can be totally honest, I think that, to say they're comparable, of course they are. This is basically more of a watered down version of the cleansing gel. Now, I don't want to sell it short and say that it's not moisturizing or good for sensitive skin. It is, but it's not necessarily the most hydrating product for what it really is packaged as. I don't find that it makes my skin not feel tight after I wash it. I don't yet have anything that's a cleansing gel or a cleansing lotion that I've used for the sake of, keeping my skin soft and supple and moisturized that has not let my skin feel a little bit dry after using it. It's a cleanser, and that's what you're going to get with all cleansers, especially if you have dry skin. But considering it's just marketed to the sensitive skin crowd, I would say in my experience I have combination skin, which is acne prone but also extremely dry, that I haven't really found that this has so much boosted the hydration levels of my skin to the degree that I guess I initially thought it would. It is effective for removing makeup for me, even eye makeup and things like that, although I have kind of found better products, I guess, that I've used. I prefer a micellar water, and I know that Neutrogena has micellar water. They used to have a really great cleansing oil. I don't think they still have it. They might. The cleansing oil is one of the best things that you could ever get for dry skin specifically. Even dry skin that's acne prone, a lot of people shy away from oils. When I used the cleansing oil, which I don't know if it's on the market or not, I can say that it always was perfect for my skin in the wintertime. Initially I bought these for the summertime, but I found more and more throughout the years that this doesn't do as much for me. It does work on mascara and eye makeup and face makeup, but it doesn't work to the degree that I really want it to. I have to do a lot of scrubbing and a lot of, kind of extra work, and I don't want to have to do that. I'd rather just disintegrate the products with a good Castile soap or a micellar water. So, there's that. It's, the product is described as a mild, fragrance-free formula, and I find that to be true. It doesn't necessarily smell like anything. It says it melts onto skin instantly, removing traces of dirt, oil, and makeup without greasy residue. With hyaluronic acid, the formula is clinically proven to increase skin's hydration level, lock it in, leaving skin clean, soft, touchably supple every time you cleanse. It's fragrance-free, which is really great if you're sensitive skin. Obviously, this is a product for sensitive skin. And it says it instantly removes traces of dirt and oil. They sell it in different sizes. They sell a Hydro Boost Gentle Cleansing Lotion on Amazon in a 5.5 fluid ounce in a pack of 3. This is a 5 fluid ounce. It comes in a neat little pump bottle design, just like the cleansing gel. Let me try to get you a little, image of... See, it is kind of a bigger size bottle. you can kind of see that. But yeah, it comes in a nice pump design. It's kind of convenient in that way. It does have like a little lock that you can pull down on the top. If you can see, there's like a little arrow. You can lock it or open it so that it doesn't spill all over your things when you travel, which is kind of a nice, you know, kind of nice that it has that ability. But yeah, it locks, it opens, it closes. That's kind of nice for just for travel, for putting in a backpack, an overnight bag, anything like that. It is rather portable, and it is nice to have a pump top. I think it's just a little more convenient for when you're washing your face at night, so you don't have to unscrew and screw a cap on and worry about losing it and all that. Convenience is important. But it says that in order, you know, how to use this, you wet your face, massage gently and rinse with water, or apply to dry skin with fingertips, massaging in a circular motion, and gently wipe off with a cotton pad or tissue, or rinse with water. So you can, you know, with any real, you know, cleansing lotion or texture of cleanser that's kind of similar to this one, you can definitely just, you don't have to use water. I don't usually recommend that. I think there's an important factor in using water, but to each his own. I think this might come in other sizes as well, and obviously there's, yeah, like there's a 6 ounce, which is, you know, kind of interesting, of the gel cleanser. There's different products in this line, like a gel eye cream with hyaluronic acid. The big thing on the Hydro Boost line is that it's hyaluronic acid is like the main ingredient that they kind of focus on in these products. As far as the ingredients go, I wouldn't say the ingredients are natural in the slightest, so I haven't been using this product as much lately just because I'm kind of leaning more towards natural ingredients and avoiding things that are cross polymers, or this has butylene glycol. It also comes in a type 1 plastic. But, you know, if you're someone who's super sensitive to plastics, that's something to consider. If you're not, try this product. Try the gel cleanser if you have oilier skin. This product for me doesn't do a whole lot, but it doesn't do nothing. I wouldn't call it totally useless. I think it's a good thing to have if your skin, depending on, you know, if you're a person that skin kind of changes with the climates and the seasons and different things like that. It's a good thing to have in your skincare toolbox just to kind of fall back on for when your skin is, you know, I guess in need of a gentler kind of cleanser. It's nice to have that at your ready when you need it, but it's not my tried and true for washing my face. That being said, I still think it's a good investment just to have it for when your skin is in that particular need of this specific kind of texture of product to cleanse it with. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd recommend it. I think it has relatively positive reviews. So again, this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gentle Cleansing Lotion for Sensitive Skin by Neutrogena, as I said. And yeah, it's dermatologist recommended, so give it a shot, and hope you have a really nice day. Thanks for watching.